Hi, Aradia. I'm just confused about your happiness practice. I'm looking here and it says my chosen happiness practice is to develop a strategy. And that seemed incomplete to me and I didn't remember what practice that related to. So I went and I think you chose number 6, developing strategies for coping, right? I think that's what it is. And so you should 3 or so times a week you use one of the methods that this writer, the psychologist recommends for for this happiness activity. And the specific strategies for coping are down here. People are invited to cope by trying to find meaning through creative writing. And in your case, I think you plan to practice music. That's what you said. You wanted to practice your music, and that's fine, of course. But if you don't have the space to do that, or you feel like you can't do that because people are in the room and you don't want to, make noise or something, then you should do one of the other activities. You need to practice the happiness practice for this because your SA3 will be based on sort of, your experience. Um, okay, and then I'm continuing on. Conversely, one could write a journal or even have the journal be support. I'm not sure what that means, but you could write a journal entries. You could just do this mental exercise of disputing your negative thoughts. You could just 3 times a week make time, or maybe do it when negative thoughts arise. Maybe when negative thoughts arise along, throughout the day, you could talk back to them, dispute them, and sort of talk back to yourself. Um, just looking to see if there are any others. So that's what I want to see, and I'm not sure that's what you're doing. I'm a little confused.